Alright, so we're gonna try this Diablo Wheel Cleaner by Chemical Guys. Let's see how well this works. I have my wheels aren't that dirty. I mean, they got some brake dust and stuff on them, but overall they're not that dirty. I wanted to try this because it's not as abrasive as other wheel cleaners that leave spots and stains on your wheel. So let's try it out and see how it works. Kind of smells like bubble gum a little bit. Looks pretty good. If you're wondering, I'll leave a link in the description for this tool right here. Just to recap, this is a before. We have all that grime and brake dust and stuff in there, and this is the after. Pretty clean. This is actually a scrape right here, but also right here. But besides that, this wheel is clean. Works pretty good.